The 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games have been a real head-turner with many rare and interesting incidents for all the sports fans around the globe. Here we bring you the highlights of the best moments captured at the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games. Shared gold medals. Mutas Essa Barshim from Qatar and Gianmarco Tamberi from Italy were both able to attain high jumps of 2.37 meters. They each attempted to beat the score and clear 2.39 meters. Unfortunately, they both failed on their first try. But then, making everybody surprised, Barshim asked if they could share this gold medal, to which Tamberi agreed. Once the judge confirmed this agreement, the Italian high jumper Tamberi was filled with overwhelming excitement and started running around the stadium. A condom brings a bronze win. Australian kayaker Jess Fox has gone down in Olympic history for thinking on her feet and coming up with an optimal solution to her problem. Here's what happened. The women's canoe slalom is one of 18 new events introduced in a push for gender equity at the Olympics this year, and Jess Fox had a faulty kayak. Did that stop her? Not even slightly. She used Olympic-issued condoms to repair her boat before proceeding to win a bronze medal in kayak slalom. World's fastest man. You already know that Usain Bolt was the world's fastest man for years on end. The 2020 Tokyo Games was able to produce a new athlete for this prestigious title, who is none other than Italy's Lamont Marcel Jacobs. Jacobs won the men's 100-meter final in 9.80 seconds for the gold medal, making him the world's fastest man in 2021. This was a huge surprise for everyone, as Jacobs wasn't even on the track race radar, as he finished 19th at the World's Championship. In fact, he was initially a long jump champion in Italy. This turn of events at the Olympic Games definitely showed us that nothing is impossible. Fourth consecutive gold medalist. Mijain Lopez is without a doubt one of the most legendary wrestling Olympians. The 38-year-old giant of Herradura competed in his first Olympics in the year 2004 at Athens and won his first two gold medals at 120 kg in Beijing and London in 2008 and 2012 respectively. He achieved his third gold medal at 130 kg in the year 2016 at Rio and his fourth gold medal at 130 kg this year at the 2020 Tokyo Games. Youngest gold medalist. Japan's Momiji Nishida went down in Olympic history by winning the first ever Olympic gold medal in women's street skateboarding at the Games in Tokyo. Skateboarding was featured in 2020 Olympic Games for the very first time, and 13-year-old Momiji Nishida was able to win the gold medal, making not only the first female gold medalist in the street skateboarding, but also the youngest gold medalist of all time. Olympic Deja Vu. The men's shot put games are one of the most anticipated events at the Olympics, as some of the strongest men in the world enters this competition. In the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games, USA's Ryan Cruiser was able to secure the gold medal, while USA's Joe Kovac and New Zealand's Tom Walsh were able to achieve the silver and bronze medals respectively. Did that order feel familiar to you? For the first time in Olympic history, the winning order of the men's shot put event at 2020 Tokyo Games was identical to the winning order of the men's shot put event at the 2016 Rio Olympics. This moment was definitely an extremely unique and astonishing moment at the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Hacks and Tips.